Thank you to Fuhaus. This is a 6-inch cordless pole saw chainsaw combo. I'm fixing to open it up. Here is the chainsaw. Feels good in my hand. Has a little cover. Recharging cord. Comes with a battery. Comes with some oil and brush, little tool package. Has a pair of safety glasses. On the mini chainsaw, it came with a battery. And I'm going to try and use a DeWalt 20-volt battery. See if it's compatible. And it is. The pole saw will extend out to 8.2 feet. I'm going to put some oil in this and try it out. You hold it like this. It's got a little primer for the oil to get it going. And I'm going to use my DeWalt battery. And we're going to go outside and see how it cuts. Okay, and their handle is adjustable. You can put your pitch, change it up. Pretty handy. Okay, I'm going to cut some limbs on this plum tree. Now we're going to try just the chainsaw. This limb is probably 2.5, 3 inches. Very handy tool. I like how it feels in my hands. It's a brushless. The pole saw goes from a 5.4 to 8.2 feet. Overall, I think it's going to be a very handy tool.